New Campbell Scientific data loggers are configured as secure by default. As part of this configuration, each data logger is given a unique identification number, or UID, at the factory. UID is used as a password that is specific to each data logger. Data loggers with a UID assigned at the factory will have a decal with the UID, along with a QR code. CR1000X, CR6, CR350, and certain other recent data loggers released prior to the UID being implemented can also be assigned a UID. This is done using the device configuration utility, also called devconfig, found in LoggerNet, PC400, or downloadable directly from the Campbell Scientific website. This list shows the required OS version for each data logger that includes UID support. Data loggers with an older OS will need to be updated prior to obtaining a UID. Connect the data logger to a computer using a USB cable. Open the device configuration utility on the computer. Ensure it is version 2.31 or higher. Update the software if an older version is installed. Select the appropriate data logger from the left side. Then select the correct communication port for a direct connection, COM4 in this case. Click Connect. If a window opens titled Avoid Conflicts with the local server, click OK. devconfig will identify the PAC bus address of the data logger and connect to it. Once connected to the data logger, devconfig will open the data logger tab under Deployment. Select the Cloud Connection tab. Obtaining a UID requires a PAC bus encryption key to be set on the data logger. If the logger does not have this key, a message will appear reminding the user to set the encryption key. Return to the data logger tab to enter a PAC bus encryption key. Once the key is entered, save the changes and reconnect to the data logger. With the PAC bus encryption key enabled, any user or device attempting to communicate with the data logger will need to know the key to connect to the logger. Return to the Cloud Connection tab. This is where the UID is obtained. To receive a UID, enter a valid CampbellCloud account name and password. The UID cannot be obtained without a CampbellCloud account. An account may be created at https://www.campbell-cloud.com. Click Setup. devconfig uses the entered credentials to connect to CampbellCloud and retrieve the UID. A progress bar displays the progress of the UID retrieval process. When complete, a new window opens with information about the UID, including the new UID number. The window includes a prompt to save the changes to the data logger. Click Yes to close the window. Another window opens with the new data logger configuration. Scroll down through the settings to find the UID number. Record this number for future reference. Click OK. The data logger now has a UID assigned, enabling its use with CampbellCloud. When a UID is assigned to a data logger, it is written to one-time programmable memory. Any future OS updates or factory default resets of the device will not delete the UID. See the Campbell Scientific video, Unique Identifier and Security for more information on the UID.